Okay. Now my attempt with this video is to kind of like show that Linux isn't anything to be scared of, to be afraid of. Like most people would think that, I mean, when you say Linux, most people think terminal, codes, no graphics, and a very unfriendly user environment. And that is not how it is. In fact, it's pretty much the opposite of that. Linux is very user friendly and it's very pretty, and it's highly customizable. You can make it look and appear as you want to. So yeah, well, depending on how much time and effort you put down on it, you can make it look really pretty. The standard look of the Linux desktop isn't that pretty, perhaps. So what you see now is the way I have my Linux set up, and I originally I'm coming from Windows, but for the past 7 years I've been a Mac user, and the whole solution that Mac has is pretty good, I think. So I am actually having a very Mac inspired desktop here with the panel on top, and the panel has applets, which are like small programs, if you didn't know that. So like, for example, over here we have the clock, which also shows the day and month, and you click on it and you get a calendar like this, and you can browse around in it if you want to. And I'm running Dropbox, stuff like that, network monitor, and of course you can change your volume, the volume out, and the microphone, which I'm using right now. And if you want to, you can, it's very easy. I mean, when I say that it's user friendly, it means that everything is very accessible from logical places, something like that. So if I want to change my sound settings, I just click here on sound settings. Now you might notice that sometimes it's a bit difficult actually to see the text here, because, well, the background of this is so transparent, but that is also something which you can select. So this is just the way I like it. And over here where it says shit is the program menu. This will be equivalent, I suppose, to what Windows users would call start. Here you have all your programs. Either you can have, well, all applications, and then you get like a big list of all your applications. Or if you want to, they are also categorized like this. So for example, all programs that has to do with internet, like your web browsers, or, well, stuff like Dropbox or instant messengers, email programs, and so on, they will be stored under the internet category. Or your office category, you have all the programs you need for office work, sound and video. Yeah, so this is how it's planned out, and everything is just meant to make it easy to handle it, to find what you're looking for quickly and so on and so forth. This thing here, this little applet here, is something called Pager, and you're using it to switch something called workspaces. Workspaces is as if you would have several screens connected to each other, and I can show you how it looks by taking my mouse down to the lower left corner of the screen. Here it is. I have 4 screens, and I can, if I want to, add another one by clicking the plus here. And if I do that, I now have 5. And well, the point of these are just to make things look tidy. If you have a lot of programs open, you can have your chat program here in the first one, and then you can have your browsers, the second one, your office programs in the third one, etc. Yeah. So it's just an attempt to make things a bit tidy. One of the best things about Linux is actually something that I'm going to bring up in the next video. So now you've seen the desktop. Well, I could mention this, the dock. This is something which totally, I mean, I love docks, and it's because of Mac OS that I do that. It's a very easy way to handle your open programs and switch between them, and just see what's going on. And it also has programs in it, like a trash can, and as you can see, I have 4 items here that I have thrown away, so I can just right click it, empty trash, yes I do, and it's gone.